question. Among the four given options, find the missing figure in the following sequence. Solution. Here, there are four changing properties. The first one is the position and number of crosses. Crosses are moving in clockwise direction and number of crosses are reducing by 1 in every given pattern. Thus, the missing pattern will have a cross on the top right corner alone. Next is the direction of the arrow. The arrow in each pattern is changing its direction from left to right and vice versa in successive patterns. Thus, the arrow in the missing pattern will be facing towards left. The next changing property is the position of dots. The dot in each pattern changes its position from left to right and vice versa in successive patterns. Thus, the missing pattern will have a dot on the right side. Next is the number of lines. The number of lines increases by 1 in every successive pattern. Thus, there will be 4 lines in the missing pattern. Hence, the right answer to the question is option C.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.